In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an end screen to your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload your video. So for my case, I'm going to show you on an already published video. To do so, go ahead and click on the video that you want to add an end screen. Then down here, you should be able to see this option, end screen. So if you check on this pen, we have various elements that you can choose. For my case, I'd like to go ahead and let YouTube choose the best for viewers. So I'll choose the first one, which is this. And you can see this is best for viewers. From here, you can go ahead and set or change the appearance of your videos, change where you want your video to appear, and also where you want your logo to appear. So you can adjust them just as you wish. And maybe if you want to select the most recent upload, you can choose this. But for my case, I just want it to stick to best for viewers. You can also choose a specific video if you so wish. Once you have made the changes, go ahead and determine or decide where you want your end screen to start running from. So you can go ahead and reduce this time run, maybe to run in the last maybe 10 seconds or so. You can just adjust this to the start location, and the subscribe as well as the best video for viewers will be displayed from there. So now if you play the video, the end screen will appear from here. So once you are okay with these settings, go ahead and click on save, and these changes will now be saved and the end screen will be placed on your videos. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.